Now this video is about to set up a bevel strip letter, okay? So first step was still import the DXF format file into our slicing software and put it in the page center, okay? Then we combine it, okay? And to make a bevel strip letter, we will need to frame it and then horizontal mirror. You can do the mirror both in either in CorelDRAW or here, both okay, okay? So now, here to make a bevel strip letter, we here need to choose reverse printing and the letter type incline. Then here, for example, still the letter height is 30 mm, and for oblique width is referring to how slanting it is. Okay, so let's take an example as 5 and check. This is 5. Okay, this is the area, the slanting area. And for example, if we make it we make it 8, then we see it's more slanting, more bevel. Okay, so actually 5 is enough, so we make it 5. Then panel height refers to this area. This is normally for the acrylic face or liquid acrylic face. Okay, so this is depending on the thickness of your sheet material or how thick you want for your letters. Okay, so this is 3. And then button height refers to this area. Normally we don't make it total bevel, because total bevel is not good for installing the PVC base. Okay, for example, we set up 0, then we can see the difference. Okay, so this is not good looking. Normally we put it as 10. Okay, then a round line we can make it 2. Normally 1 is enough. And then what thickness is 1.2 enough. Then color switch, it's not that big letter with 30 mm thick height, so we can make the layer count as 3. So for example, we're setting up the first layer is 3, then another layer 17, another layer 10, then still a total 30. Okay, so you can see the difference. So this area normally will be the non-opaque color. Okay, but we can also change as, for example, 5, 15, 10. Still totally it's 30. So let's see the difference. Okay, so here is 5 and 15 and then another 10. Okay, then footstep, effective 1 is the back size. So this is depends on the thickness of your PVC. So for example, you are using a 5 mm or 3 mm PVC or ACP sheet, you can put as 5, 3, depends on you. Okay, and then height, width 1.2, 1.2 enough. Then effective 2 is the stopper for the face side. So for example, we just set up the panel height as 3. So here we can also use 3. So that's 30 minus 3 equal to 27. Okay, height and the width still 1.2, 1.2. Okay, so make a view. Okay, prevent curl, press width was 0.3, height 10 mm. It's enough. So we can make it outer and inner. Okay, so this is already enough. Then we can file output and set up the speed. Okay, and the temperature. Then we save it as bevel 3D. Okay. Okay. Then 3D view. Then we put this file, we put the file in here. Now we can see, okay? See the color change. See? This is the bottom area. This is will be the non-opaque area, okay? So this is for the face. And this is the around line, okay? And this is the outer prevent curl. This is the inner prevent curl. Okay? Then this is effective 1. This is effective 2, okay? Then we just copy the file to your SD card and send to printer for printing.